seem like it'll never happen. Well, let me remind you today that there's a song that says, just wait, your blessing is on the way. Listen. You've been crying and waiting so long for a blessing. It seems like it's been denied for you and me. Yeah. But let me tell you, it's right there. It's on the way. Yeah. Your blessings will be coming in and going out in the city and in the field. You just wait, my dear. Yeah. You'll be right there. It's your sweet and alive. Your blessing is nigh. Yeah. It's your sweet and alive. Yeah. Your blessings on the way. Hey. To you. Hey. You've been waiting so long. God heard your prayer, and He'll be right there. You see. Wait. Yeah, wait. And you shall see the breaking of day. Wait. Your blessings on the way. It might not be right there today, but just wait and see. God has promised you, and He will fulfill you with His promises of blessings. While you wait, believe and receive. Don't let your mind tell you no, you shall not be denied. Just wait, wait and see. Your blessing is on the way. Listen, you shall see a change. Good God Almighty. I don't know how it's coming, and you don't know which way it's coming, but God will make a way out of no way for you. Hey, it's coming, just wait. It's coming, just wait and pray. Wait for your blessings. It's on the way. It's on the way. It's on the way. It's on the way. Good God Almighty. Clarification, restoration, celebration, manifestation is on the way. Listen, clap your hands, do your dance this way. It's coming your way. Wipe the tears from your eyes and see. Just wait, it's on the way. God heard you, heard your prayers. He heard your prayer, yeah. Your blessing, your miracle is there, can't you see? Yeah. What God promised He can do, He'll never fail you. Just wait and see. Yeah. Your blessing is nigh. It's right there, and right there, it's right there. Wait, child of God, wait. God heard your prayer. It be right there.